Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a bit of a long run. If you guys are in the PNW, I am going to the North Bend. I'm not taking the interstate, I'm taking the inner roads through Woodinville and Duval. Much better road on a bike because a lot of twists and a lot of turns. Really nice piece of road. It's a beautiful weather today. There are a lot of people out on the road today too, because it's really bright. It's really clear skies. The temperature is hovering around 80s. Top 80s. A very nice weather to go out on a ride. And also I'm also excited that this is my very first ride in broad daylight. All my other rides have been late in the noon, like afternoon and evening. I wanted to go out to North Bend earlier this morning, like around 8. I have like a couple of buddies who were also interested in going, but something came up. I couldn't go, so I thought I should do a solo while there's still plenty of sunlight. I'm also planning to do a group ride next week. It gets pretty difficult to bring everybody together because everybody has their own schedule, own thing going on over the weekend. So let's see how that turns out. But if this solo ride turns out well, I will do another one. To Crystal Mountain or Crystal Lake. Couldn't take my hat off of the biker because I was sitting on the clutch. So like I was saying, earlier today, this morning, like around 8 a.m., a couple of buddies went to North Bend through this road, through Woodinville and Duval area. I couldn't join, but I thought I should go do it on my own. Also bought and installed Senna. The audio is pretty good. I haven't tested the intercom and mesh system because, like I said, I wasn't able to join the group this morning. But I was kind of skeptical about it. I didn't buy it at first, but a few of my buddies already own it. Like I have there's a large biking group in my circle, and everybody has Senna installed, so they're all asking me to install it because it's fun communicating while we ride, and I was not into it. But yesterday I was like, what the hell, just get it. So I was able to install it this morning. So it's Senna 50S, comes with Harman Kardon speakers, which are really pretty nice. I mean, they're tiny, but they got some good sound to them. yeah, good weather for riding bikes, and I've already seen quite a few riders out. So this is the very first turn, and many more to come, and this is the furthest I've gone so far on this bike, and I got 25 more miles to go and then back. So after this ride, I would have a better idea how the ride is. I mean, since it's a super naked bike, the sitting position is not as casual. It's more lean forward. So it's a bit heavy on the handlebars. But let's see after an hour or so riding how I feel about it. A lot of people I talk to who do like long runs, like touring and stuff, some of them do have Z900s, and they have changed the handlebars to more of a raised position, so that they can sit a bit upright. I might do it. I'll see how that turns out. I mean, I'll see how this ride turns out. I'll have a better idea. Because right now I do feel a little bit of pressure on my hands, mainly because I'm not hugging the tank with my knees. I'm putting all my weight on the handlebar, which is not recommended. I mean, you have to grip them loosely. Otherwise, on a longer ride sessions, your hands will go numb, and that you do not want. So yeah, as I gain more seat time on this, I will make a couple of changes, eventually make it more comfortable. But so far so good. Don't have any complaints apart from minor things like the side mirrors I was telling you guys about. These are tiny, cannot look past the shoulders quite much. What happened to my phone, man? Cancel. Come on. Anyways, oh, where did my map go? I think I need to stop. My map isn't working. Oh, there we go. Back roads is a fun act. Look at that view. It's beautiful. So yeah, today is a brilliant weather to go out, enjoy the sun, enjoy the wind, enjoy the nice views like this. Oh, somebody is out mowing the lawn, and look at the size of that lawn. It'll take him ages to do it. Get some speed. Welcome to Oxbow. Yeah. This is nice. I like it. Whoopsie. So I still haven't tested the sport mode, the rain mode, and the rider mode. I'm sitting on road. I'll try the sport mode once the braking period is done. I've done 234 miles as of now. 300 some left to go. Once the braking period is done and the first 600 mileage service is done, then I'll test the sport mode. Rider mode is where you dial in your own settings. I think that is mainly for tracks, meant for tracks. But for normal roads like road like these, I mean, you don't necessarily need to change the default setting, which is just the road mode. And I haven't ridden this thing out in the rain yet, so I haven't tested the rain mode. But I live in Seattle, so there's always rain, and I'll test the rain mode, I'm guessing, pretty soon. So I know I've talked a couple of times about the review that I'm working on. The reason it's taken for so long is I am planning to do an in-depth review, and I was planning to also ride it out in the rain and get that feeling so I can translate it in review, but that hasn't happened yet, and I don't think so that I'll be able to experience this bike in the rain, because I don't know, maybe it's Seattle, you never know. Anyways, yeah, the road mode works just fine. I mean, you can dial in the settings to your liking, but if you don't, then you're not losing anything. You're not missing out on any fun. Oh, goat hugs. That's cute. Goat hugs for $5. Take my money. So this is beautiful Carnation, small downtown sector. Looks old school, looks nice. I mean, some of the cities have really preserved their culture. I mean, they look like that you're riding through, like you're riding back in time. Right on its tail. I need to leave some gap. comrade. Look at that field. It's like ocean of green. Nice. .4 miles to go, 15 minutes. I mean, I've never been to North Bend, and I thought it was on an elevation of I don't know how much, but it looks pretty flat. Maybe there's an incline coming up, I don't know, but so far it looks flat. Man, this truck is blocking my view. What do we have here? What is that? What's going on here? Open. Are they having a game? I think they're having a game there. Tailgate party. You're having some fun down there. Nice. Man, I need a better exhaust. You get such an elevated experience if you have like a really nice popping exhaust. Whoa. Now we're talking. I finally lost that truck that was in front of me. Now I can see a better view what's ahead. Minutes. I mean, there isn't a specific spot that I'm going. I've just put not been on my Google Maps and chose the back roads. So at the end of this ride, there could be nothing. There could be something worthwhile. I don't know. But so far, the ride is pretty nice. The road is very nice. Some good quality turns. And also you're able to maintain a steady speed while you at it, which is nice. I know there's much traffic out today. I mean, had I gone in the morning, the experience might have been much better. But man, it is what it is. I'm enjoying it. And that's the point. do remember this place. Snoqualmie. Oh, we're in Snoqualmie. Snoqualmie Falls is somewhere around here. I might have passed it, but yeah, it's somewhere here. Oops. Whoa, what? Oh, look at that engine. What is that? A rock cutter? Is that a rock cutter? I don't know. Looks pretty old. Wow, it looks like an old mining town, but these are for some sort of oil. These are oil tankers. Wow, look at that, man. That is amazing. Wow. Wow, stream crane. Wow. This is awesome. This is awesome. Not rocks. That nerd. Snoqualmie. Elevation 420. This is the old Snoqualmie station. Oh, medical card. Man, this is awesome. I like these small old towns. What the hell was that, man? Oh, come on. Look at that mountain. It's a big mountain. Nice. Oh wow, look at that. Look at those. Look at those. Those are like reindeer, or what are those? Nice. Look at that area, man. Look at that. Entering city of North Bend. We are here. I think it's taking me to their downtown. I think I'll skip that. Nah, it's just one mile. 1 mile to go. Let's go through the downtown and then make our way back. I might stop where I saw those reindeers. If they're still there, I'll take a couple of pictures. Take my helmet off for a couple of minutes. Give my head some air. I mean, this helmet's pretty ventilated, but still, it's a hot day today. Bend it's a pretty little town. Not too shabby. Okay, that's it. This is their downtown, I guess. Let's go through it and then make a U-turn, come back. North Bend. So this was this ride till here was 1 hour 5 minutes. I don't feel fatigued. The ride is pretty good. It's just that I might need to change my helmet in the future because it's not tight. It's true to the size, but I don't think it's that comfortable. I mean, if you wear it for like 30 minutes, it's all right. But if you wear it for a longer period of time, like an hour plus, then you might feel some pressure around your head, especially at the backside. So that was the downtown. Pretty small. So I'm gonna ride for a couple of minutes and then make a U-turn. Take a break. What the hell was that? Should have taken a turn here. It's okay. Illinois, Atlanta, Lincoln. I don't want to hit any highways. Oh, I should have turned here, man. Should have turned here. Doesn't matter. Okay, so it's a turn thingy coming up. Let's make our way back. Let's head back, let's head back. Alright guys, I'm gonna pull over, take a little break, and then off I go back home. Alright guys, take care. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Stay safe out there. Have a good one. No Rider out.